Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let us look into IBP special cases. Why is it special cases? Basically because the working now will be a little bit long. Alright, let's look into your question in your workbook. So this is taken from page 229. So let us do this together. We are to apply integration by parts. Okay, I want to do this question together with you. Alright, okay, ready? Let's concentrate on question number 1. Alright, if you are to use integration by parts, you need to recognize what will be the appropriate u and dv. Okay, first start. Here we have exponent and we have trigonometry cosine. Between trigonometry and exponent. So the trigonometry comes first, so meaning the appropriate u would be your trigonometry. And your remaining, the exponent, will become the e power x dx. Right, and then we are to get to the du by differentiating and to get to your v by integrate. And then we plug in the values. Right, so again, let's pause the video. Why don't I give you about 5 minutes, everybody? Okay, plugging into the formula of IBP, integration by parts, before we are to compare answer. 5 minutes from now. So let's compare answers. So again, first mark, you have to choose the correct u and the dv, and then to differentiate and to integrate correctly. Okay, and then you are to use the IBP, replacing the u, the v, minus the v, and the u. Minus minus plus. And then you have this. So for this portion, we are to use integration by parts again, choosing the correct u, which is the trigo first, then exponent, and then differentiate and integrate. Sine is cosine, integrating, okay. Right. So and then into the IBP again. Okay. The u sine, the v is minus the v, and the du is cosine x dx. And then you notice you have this, and as you replace it back here, okay, for this portion of e power x sine x dx, you're replacing it. You still have this one, eh? Right. So the tricky part or the technique is to rearrange. Okay, so when we rearrange, you will get this question and this question, which is actually 2 of this question. That's a technique on how to solve this. Okay, that's why we call it as a special case. And then on the right side, if I am to factorize, taking out the e power x2 so that it looks nicer. And then hence the answer that we are wanted, the integral of e power x cosine x dx is, so that is our solution for that question number 1. Right, so don't forget your c. Make sure that you write down the c for your indefinite integral. So there, let's rearrange and get to our answer. So for this question, I give 8 marks. Right? Simple, right? Okay. So let's try it again. Let's do number 2 now.